Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to recoil a generator pull card. So let's say your generator pull card is broken. I'll be showing you how to do that. So this is a Predator generator 2000 and it's enclosed, so it's within this plastic case. So let's simulate that it's broken. What will happen, the tension of the spring will release and I'll have to recoil it. So I'll be removing this pull card mechanism, and here it is, broken card. There's no tension on it. So I'll change this one. Roll this all the way to the end. Take a screwdriver so it doesn't loosen anymore. This is my new card. I will cut it. This is 10 feet, and I'll cut it in half. So I'll cut it 5 feet. Let's say your card was broken and it unwind completely. Then you'd have to turn it a few times, maybe 6 complete turns. So I'll go ahead. 1, 5, 6. Add the screwdriver so it doesn't unwind. No, but so I'll do it from this end because it's actually easier for me. Just like that. It's coming through already. Wide and the screwdriver so it doesn't. Also, I'll do a double square knot on this end. So 1 time, another time. I'll do a double square knot. It's temporary, so it doesn't pull through. Look, this is what I'm talking about. If you did it and there's a piece hanging out, then you don't want to add more tension to the spring. So to do that, go ahead. So what I'm going to do is use the card to turn the entire mechanism. So I'm giving it one turn. Maybe you will need to do more than one. I'll just give it two to make sure it's okay. So go ahead, keep your finger on the card and go around. So over back to where we were. So this is okay. For fitting it up, I just do the opposite of what I did.